Did you know that the Chinese military is developing robotic weapons so powerful that it could completely change the course of global geopolitics? This is a secret that has been kept under layers of secrecy, but today we are going to reveal everything you need to know about this ultra-realistic threat that could defeat the United States in the near future. At the heart of China, an ultra-secret project is underway, one that could reshape the way wars are fought forever. A new generation of military robots is being developed, and these are no ordinary machines. These are weapons of war so advanced, they can learn, adapt, and evolve in real time to overcome any combat scenario. We're talking about an army of robots that could change the global power balance in ways we never imagined possible. With a multi-billion-dollar investment, China is pushing the boundaries of military technology. This project is so secret that not even the Western world knows exactly how these machines are designed or what makes them so unique. But we do know that China is combining cutting-edge artificial intelligence with military-grade robotics, and that combination could be the key to the future of warfare. Imagine a battlefield where the rules of war are no longer determined by human limitation. These robots could be faster, stronger, and more intelligent than any human soldier, and the implications of that are mind-blowing. With machines that never get tired, don't need rest, and can adapt to every challenge, the future of war may look completely different from what we know today. China's ambition doesn't stop there. They aren't just building robots that can fight, they're building an entire military infrastructure that revolves around AI and robotics. The Chinese government has been pouring billions of dollars into this technology, working to develop robots that could outpace any military force in the world. And while the United States is focused on traditional military advancements, China is already preparing for a war that could be fought entirely by machines. But what about the United States? While the US has been a leader in military technology for decades, it is now facing an enormous challenge. The race for technological supremacy in warfare is no longer just about who has the most powerful weapons, it's about who controls the future of robotics and artificial intelligence. Elon Musk, with his projects at Tesla and SpaceX, has already warned that the next great battle will be fought using artificial intelligence. Musk's words carry weight. His companies have been at the forefront of technology, shaping the future of space travel, transportation, and potentially warfare. But what many people don't realize is that while Musk is focusing on creating autonomous vehicles and space exploration systems, China is already building the machines that will fight in future war. China has taken the lead in integrating AI into its military systems, and their robots are not just advanced, they are practically invincible. These machines will be able to adapt to combat scenarios in real time, learning from their environment and from their previous battle. Unlike human soldiers, these robots won't tire, they won't make mistakes due to stress, and they won't hesitate to act when needed. In short, they will be the ultimate weapon of war. The United States has its own advanced military projects, but China's focus on AI and robotics gives it a significant edge. The US has been slow to embrace AI on the battlefield, and this could be a huge mistake. While the US is still relying on traditional tactics and human soldiers, China is preparing for a new kind of war, one where humans are no longer the central players. Imagine a future where the most important decisions on the battlefield are made by machines. No more waiting for orders from a human commander. Robots will be able to assess the situation, analyze data, and make decisions faster than any human could. This means that wars could be fought in a matter of minutes, with robots on both sides determining the outcome before any human even has a chance to react. But the implications of this go beyond just military strategy. If China's robotic army becomes a reality, it could have a massive impact on the global economy too. The future of warfare will be controlled by technology companies, not government. The countries that dominate in AI and robotics will hold the power to shape the future, and China is positioning itself as the leader in this race. But here's the most shocking part. The Chinese government has kept this project so secret that the rest of the world is only now beginning to catch on to what's happening. It's only a matter of time before these robots are revealed to the public, and when they are, it could change everything. The United States and its allies could be left scrambling to catch up, struggling to develop their own robotic armies, while China races ahead. And the potential for this technology doesn't end with combat. These robots could be used for surveillance, intelligence gathering, and even policing. Imagine a world where a single robot could patrol the streets of a city, monitor traffic, and prevent crime, all without human intervention. China's government could use this technology to strengthen its control over its population, using AI to track and monitor citizens in ways we've never seen before. The question we all need to ask ourselves is, are we ready for this future? Will the United States be able to compete with China's rapid advancements in AI and robotics? Or will we see a world where China's robotic army becomes the dominant military force on Earth? This new kind of warfare could be the beginning of a terrifying new era. As AI continues to advance, we're likely to see robots that are not just soldiers, but leaders in the battlefield, making crucial decisions and determining the outcome of war. If China succeeds in creating this robotic army, they could hold the key to controlling the future of warfare and ultimately the future of the world. But there's still hope for the United States and other nations to catch up. The development of AI and robotics is still in its early stages, and with the right investment, it's possible that the US could develop its own army of machines capable of competing with China's. But time is running out, and China is already ahead in the race. In the coming years, we may witness the most dramatic shift in warfare since the invention of the atomic bomb. The future of conflict is not about tanks and fighter jets. It's about robots, artificial intelligence, and the next generation of military technology. And China is leading the charge. So what's the next step? The race to control this new world of AI and robotics is on, and the stakes couldn't be higher. The question is, will the United States and its allies be able to catch up in time, or will China's robotic army become the new global superpower?